Hey guys, what's up? In this video, we're going to be talking about similar stocks, how to find stocks that perform like the ones you like. All right, so this is a big idea that a lot of people need to kind of latch on to, right? If you have a stock that you like, let's say it's SPY, it's Microsoft, it's Apple, it's Tesla, whatever, you have a stock that works well for you because one, the risk level matches your risk level. You make money from it. You understand how that stock moves. The stock works well for you. Whatever factors play into why this stock works for you, you have a stock that works well for you. And that's what every investor, every trader needs to find. They need to find a stock that works well for them. And when you find a stock that works well for you, then you can find stocks that perform like that one as well. So for instance, let's say that Microsoft is my go-to stock, which obviously I love Microsoft. There is no question about that. But let's say Microsoft is my go-to stock. Okay, how do I find other stocks like Microsoft? Because if Microsoft works well for me, then I would do well by finding other stocks that perform like it. So this is a free website called stockfetcher.com. And if you go to the main website here and you go to tools, you can find the similar. And when you click on this, you can change the days that you want. I like to go out to the max 180 days on the website. And then you just type in the ticker symbol of the stock that you want to look up. And when you do that, it's going to pull a list of stocks that perform the same as it. So it's going to look inside the same sector if it can, and it's going to find stocks that perform stock performance roughly the same way. So you can see here all the examples that we have. We have the Internet Direction Daily ETF. We have another ETF for technology. We have another ETF for technology. So mainly we're just getting a bunch of technology ETFs from Microsoft because Microsoft does lead the way in tech. It's one of the leaders there. So you can kind of see all those examples there as well. And so because I know this is so important, finding stocks that perform the same as the stocks you like, I took it a bit further. So those base it off sectors. But if you come here and let's say you type in the stock inside this software, which is the Impeccable Stock software, which is the software that I developed, right? If you come in here and you type in Microsoft and you scroll down, it's going to show you stocks that are just like it, based off sector, based off price, and based off current recommendation, right? So this one is currently a great buy recommendation, meaning that it has the lowest risk and the highest reward and the highest chance of actually making money. So now these are all examples of stocks within the same price range with the same recommendation that is going to do the same way as well. So if you want to find similar stocks, you can either use the free website, which is findstockfetcher.com, or use the 14-day free trial link below to check out similar stocks. For instance, you can see here with Microsoft, it recommends VHT, Murphy USA, ICU Medical, Facebook, McDonald's, and Vectors ETF Biotech. So these are some great examples of stocks that are going to perform just like it. All right, guys, I hope this helped show you that when you have a stock you like, you want to stick to it. Guys, a stock is like a person, and each person has their own personality, their own flaws, their own ticks, what makes them think, what makes them move. And when you track the same stock or the same group of stocks over and over and over, you know how it reacts to news, you know how it reacts to earnings, you know how it reacts during recessionary periods, and because of that, you can become a master at that stock. So I highly recommend you find a stock or group of stocks that you like. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more, please check out the links below. Anyways, please smash that subscribe button if you learned something, the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next week with another amazing video.